Today, I will be sharing some Asian beauty secrets that actually works. Yes, the ones that have been passed down for centuries to give you glowing skin, luscious hair, and that effortless beauty we all dream of. I spent a lot of time researching these beauty secrets, so think of this video as your ultimate guide to looking like a K-drama star, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Herbal steam for pore cleansing. First, we need to start by opening our pores so that every ingredient can penetrate our skin and we can get results. Boil water with herbs like rosemary, mint, or chamomile and steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Herbal steam opens your pores, removes toxins, and improves circulation. It's like a detox for your skin and it feels so refreshing. Green tea. Do you know that green tea helps fight acne? Yes, it is loaded with antioxidants that not only fight acne, but slow down aging and reduce redness. Drink green tea often or take those used tea bags, cool them down, and place them on your eyes to reduce puffiness. Mung bean powder. If you want to get a brighter complexion, you should try mung bean powder. It gently exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, and brightens the complexion. Mix mung bean powder with water or yogurt. Scrub your face and rinse it off. Rice water. In ancient China and Japan, women used rice water to wash their faces and hair. And why is that? It's because it's packed with vitamins and minerals that brighten your skin, shrink your pores, and promote hair growth. And here's how you do it. Rinse some rice, soak it in water for more than an hour, and then use that water as a toner or hair rinse. It's effective and it costs practically nothing. Ginseng. This powerful root has been used in Korea for centuries to promote collagen production and reduce wrinkles. So if you want to maintain a youthful appearance, look for skincare products containing ginseng extract or brew ginseng tea for internal benefits. It's like a fountain of youth in a cup waiting to be drank. Jade roller. Jade roller has been used in China for centuries to reduce puffiness, improve circulation, and help your skincare products sink deeper into your skin. Just roll it in an upward motion on your face after applying serum or moisturizer. Oil cleansing method. In Japan, they've been using oils like jojoba, camellia, or olive oil to remove impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Massage the oil into your skin, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel so soft and clean after this. Snail mucin serum. In Korea, they've been using snail mucin for years because it's packed with hyaluronic acid and glycoproteins that repair and hydrate your skin. If you're dealing with dry or damaged skin, look for snail mucin-based serums or creams. And no, it doesn't feel slimy. It's actually super smooth and your skin will love it. Turmeric. Another good brightening ingredient is turmeric. This spice has been used in India for years to brighten skin and fight acne. Mix a little turmeric with honey or yogurt, apply it on your face as a mask, and rinse it off after 15 minutes. Just be careful. It can stain, so don't wear your favorite white shirt while doing this. Herbal hair oils. Now let's talk about hair. In India, they've been using herbal hair oils like coconut, amla, and false daisy for centuries to strengthen hair, prevent hair loss, and promote growth. Massage warm oil into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour, and then wash it off. Your hair will feel so nourished and shiny, like you just walked out of a salon. Goji berries. Goji berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy, radiant skin. You can eat them raw, drink goji berry tea, or look for skincare products containing goji berry extract. They're like nature's candy, but way better for your skin. Lotus flower. This beautiful flower has been used in India and China to soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and provide hydration. Look for lotus-infused toners, serums, or face masks. Use it and watch your skin get better. Camellia oil. Moving on to camellia oil from Japan. This oil is lightweight, so it won't clog your pores, but it's deeply hydrating and perfect for those days when your skin feels dry. Just a few drops on your face or hair, and you'll feel like a movie star. And there you have it, Asian beauty secrets that have been used for centuries to get that flawless, glowing skin and luscious hair. These tips are tried, tested, and totally worth it. So, which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, stay glowing.